So new Ranger HVAC installing a street legal kit, full cab system. That's how this comes. There's all the guts of what we're doing here, or Brett's doing. Thing's got a heater, got air conditioning, a wiper kit, all stock. Anyway, pretty sweet. Brett here installed a plow kit on this new HVAC Ranger and a street legal kit. So let's see this thing operate, brother. And that's a 4,500 pound winch? Yeah. Pretty slick. So heating and air conditioning in this bad boy. All street legal. Integrated turn signal kit. Pretty slick. Northstar Edition Ranger, right?
Correct. So this is our street legal kit that somebody put on, and I'm going to show Pearson here how it works. Blinker, obviously, you should shoot yourself if you don't know how to use a blinker. Left and right. And all vehicles that have the street legal kit have to have a turn signal as well as a horn, a left-hand mirror, or a right-hand mirror, or a left-hand mirror and a rear mirror. Those things will complete any type of street legal kit. This gentleman here just put a winch on it and an actual plow. And he wants to take off his plow itself. I'm going to go inside there. I'm going to turn this machine, or turn the winch, loosen it all the way down, take this off, and I'll show you right now, okay? So I got it on. I'm dropping it right now, take this off. All done there. Push this, and just pull out, and the plow comes off.
Okay.
Put that back on, snap it on right there, and then put on the hook. And then push in. Angle of your plow, you push this down, or sorry, push this up all the way, and then twist. So it gives you probably much almost a 30-degree angle to get all the snow plowed out of your way, left or right.